So I've owned a few Disco 2s in my time, and the Disco 2 always came with a little hook down here, which I'm guessing was for like garbage bags or maybe a women's handbag or whatever. But one thing I used to really like in my Disco 2 is that I could put my huge water bottle and just hang it on there and it wasn't rolling around on the seat or whatevs. So what I did is I went to a hardware store and I bought one of these little drawer knob things, which was a couple bucks, and I removed this whole plate, which comes off really easily, drilled a hole, and bing bang boom, you got somewhere to hold your water bottle. And this actually removes quite easily. You just kind of go down to the bottom and gently pry the bottom out, and then yeah, just drill a little hole in the back. Super easy. Click it back in. So kind of similar at the back of the truck. The LR3 I think is awesome because it has a ton of cargo area in the back here, but it's a huge space and there's not a lot of smaller area to kind of like store stuff. There's these little compartments here, but they fill up pretty quick. So what I did again is I went to like hardware store, bought these little kind of hanging hook things and just drilled a couple holes and bolted them in. This panel you don't even really need to take off, just pop it out here and pull it forward enough so you can get a wrench in the back to tighten the bolts up. And then you got just space to store stuff. I think this is some sort of concrete glue that is in my truck right now. Work clothes, and this is like toe straps and whatever else, but it's out of the way and not making a mess and rolling around. One thing I'm gonna say is if you are gonna do this, my truck has the third row seats, so make sure when the seats come up, this whatever you put here is enough that the seat's not gonna hit it when it comes up. And that's just another little mod that just makes daily driving in the LR3 a little bit more enjoyable. Hope it helps.